Hello sweetie, welcome back to my channel. This is Olayemi cooking oat bread. 4 ingredients, 100% oat bread with no sugar, no flour, no egg and no oil. I'm going to show you how to make oat flour. So I'll start by adding my oats into a blender, then blend to get oat flour. So I'm going to add my oat flour into a bowl to start making our 100% oat bread with no flour. I'm going to be adding baking powder. This is just 4 ingredients healthy oat bread. So I'm going to mix my baking powder with my flour to get the perfect or healthy oat bread. I'm going to combine everything until all the baking powder is mixed with the oat flour. So I'll go ahead and make a sweetener. Since it's sugar free and it's an healthy oat bread, I'll be using ripe banana, very ripe banana, to give it a sweetener and a flavor. So I'll be making my banana paste by adding my banana into a bowl. Then I'm going to add 4 bananas to make a sweetener. So this is how to make your banana paste by matching your banana, or you can as well blend this in a blender to get a perfect banana paste. But I'll be using fork to make my banana paste. It's very simple and it's very easy to make by matching it with a fork because it's a very ripe banana. So I'm going to match this to get a banana paste. While doing this, if you've not liked this video, please remember to give this video a like. So this is how to make your banana paste. Then I'm going to transfer it into my dry ingredients to get our healthy oat bread. So I'm going to transfer it to get that liquid. Then I'll also be using a yogurt for this. It's an egg free, oil free and flour free. So I'm going to add my yogurt, plain yogurt. I'll be using plain yogurt to make this healthy oat banana bread. Then I'm going to go ahead and combine everything to get that perfect bread dough. You need to just combine all your ingredients until everything is well incorporated and everything is well mixed. To get that healthy oat banana bread, you just need to combine your ingredients. You really do not need yeast, egg, or purpose flour to make this oat bread. It's actually easy to make and actually easy to prepare. So this is how I make my 4 ingredients oat banana bread. So we are just going to allow this to rest for 45 minutes. Then everything will be well soaked and incorporated together. Then after 45 minutes, I'm going to transfer it into my bread pan. Then we are going to transfer it into the oven. But before that, you can as well use your hand to rub the surface just to make everything look smooth. Then you can as well add oatmeal, or you can add some nuts on the surface, or anything you feel like adding on the surface, or you can as well leave it plain without adding oats or nuts or any. You can add peanut or anything you want to add. So I'm going to transfer it into the oven and bake for 45 minutes. So after 45 minutes, this is the outcome of our 4 ingredients oat bread, easy banana oat bread. So I'm going to transfer it into a rack or a cotton board to allow it to cool. Then we start slicing. So after 15 minutes, I'm going to slice it so you can see how it looks. So this is how it looks, and thanks so much for watching my oat banana bread. Hope to see you next time. Bye bye.